What's going on, boys and girls? We're going to be doing one of these scrumptious type of recipes today. We're going to be doing a hot dog casserole. It's going to be a real simple thing to do with just mainly if you eat hot dogs like I do, you usually keep these ingredients around your house anyway, but we're going to kick it up a little bit. Let me know what you like. Here we go. All right, like I said, we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to start off with some hot dog chili sauce, 2 cans of hot dog chili sauce. Now, what I use, guys, I use some manwich sauce. So 1 pound of ground beef and a can of manwich. We're going to use some of this Rotel mild diced tomatoes and green chilies. Going to use some crescent rolls here. This makes about 8 of them. You can just choose whatever type you want to get. We're going to take a small onion or a medium onion and chop it up. Take some cheddar cheese, and these are actually Nathan hot dogs right here. But you can use whatever type of hot dogs you want to use. And then you're gonna use like a 9x12 or whatever that kind of rectangular casserole dish is. Let's put it together. All right, we're gonna start off with a casserole dish. Give it a light spray with some cooking spray. All right, we put down our manwich chili sauce, which is, again, now if you want to just use 2 cans of this right here, you can. Still going to come out good, but we wanted to use the manwich just to give it a little bit more body. All right, now we put some of the Rotel. We put some of the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Thought we were going to use 2 cans, guys, but I think 1 can is going to be enough. All righty, we put the onions on them. Now, if you don't like onions that much, you don't have to put that many onions up there if you don't like them. I like onions, so I do it like this way. Alrighty, so we added the cheese up there, guys. That's about a cup of cheese. You can use more if you want to. You can use less if you want to. Oh, guys, one thing I left out, you do need some cheese slices. And now you don't have to have these right here, but when you get ready to roll the croissants with the hot dogs, this works a little bit better. But you could use the regular, your regular cheese in there as well, the shredded cheese. All right, we're going to take our croissant here. So we're going to put our piece of cheese up there. We're going to take our hot dog and just basically roll it just like this, y'all. And we're going to do 8 of them this way right here. This is going to come out really, really good. Alrighty, guys, and there you go. We got all 8 of those. We're going to preheat the oven to about 400 degrees. Cook it uncovered you want to cook it for about 30 minutes, guys. But you got to check it because these will start to brown. If it starts to brown too quickly after about 15 minutes or so, you may have to put some foil on top of it so you don't want it to be all burned up. All right, y'all, I said 400 degrees earlier. I meant 350. 400's too high. 350 degrees. Wow, look at that, y'all. That looks magnificent. This is going to be so good. And I'm not going to eat all of these right here. I'll probably eat 2 of them, but this is just a different way of cooking something. Let's take it out and let it cool. Oh, yeah, you can't ask for no better than that right there. This is no different than having a hot dog with chili for the most part. The only thing's missing is coleslaw, So it came out good. It's the first time I've ever done one of these before, but that came out good. It's a simple recipe. You guys ought to try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and share this video with other people, guys. We're going to eat some of this and see what it tastes like. Peace. All right, y'all. There it is right here. We're going to take a taste of it. I know it's going to taste good. I can already tell you it's going to taste good because I already ate some of the sauce. It's going to be so, it's hot. My mouth is watering. I started to put some mustard on it. It don't need nothing. My wife's in the background saying, I can't stand you. This is so good, y'all. You got to try it. It's so good. It's a splurge meal. It ain't healthy, but sometimes you got to enjoy yourself. So you guys have a great day. Peace.